So hi guys, to make your Instagram account private, here's how to do it. You go to Instagram and then on the top right for the where there's a main menu, you click on it, and then all the way to the bottom you will see settings. So you click on settings and then you click on privacy. So on the privacy you click on it, it opens a whole new window. In the middle section where there's connections, here you see the first item is account privacy. So you click on it. That's where you will be able to make it private. So you click on it, it will open a new window where there's private account. So it's off right now, that means it's public. So you click on it, so it's gonna turn it to private. But if you have a business account, you cannot make it private. So this is like a business account, it cannot be made private. So if I click on it, it says business accounts can't be private, so you cannot do it. And that's it.